Hey guys, I'm the Lady Friend 1. Welcome back to another tutorial video. We're continuing with the Minecraft props out of wooden cubes, except this one is not going to be resin sealed just because it's a bit smaller. So the adhesive method is a little bit different from the sword video. If you haven't checked that out, make sure to check it out. This is how we're going to make a Minecraft torch, but without resin sealing and still using wooden cubes. Let's go ahead and just jump right on into it. So since this is just a torch, I didn't really bother with laying out the blocks ahead of time because it's pretty simple. I just counted out what I need and it's 2 by whatever, how many. But I'm just super gluing them all together. There is no context meant for this one because, again, we're not resin sealing, so I'm just super gluing all of those bricks together and I'm not laying them out ahead of time. You can, obviously, of course, but yeah. After all the gluing, I did, of course, pull up an image of the torch and start planning out all the colors I would need and making number assignments to each color and then marking them on the corresponding block. So it would basically just be another paint by numbers. A lot of browns this time around, mostly just brown. Also, I did miscount, so I had to break off the 2 end blocks. It wasn't going well. Hammer had to come out. Don't make the same mistake that I did. But then I went ahead and started painting. I started with the 4 lighter, or excuse me, I think 6 lighter colors, like the yellow, oranges, and the white, to start it off before I moved on to the darker colors with the browns. And then, of course, a lot of color mixing with getting all the different shades of brown, since the entire base of the torch is several different colors. I think we ended up with 5 total different shades of brown. So mixing all those and painting all of those on. And last thing I did was seal it with a spray-on sealer. I found one that was wood safe though, not my usual Liquitex. Thanks so much for watching this cosplay crafting tutorial. Sorry if it was a bit of a mess. If you want to see what we made actually with the finished cosplay, make sure to check the links in my description and let me know what your crafting questions are in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see what I'm crafting up next. Bye-bye!